Alright, YouTube, back out with the Arrma Limitless. Y'all see it still got the same setup. I didn't change no gearing or nothing. Just gonna run the battery again and try to give it more than what it's had. Alright guys, so I'm putting this GPS on the inside. I don't know if I'm start this whole video from now or I'm gonna edit it, but just want y'all to see that anyway. Time to start it. That's gonna go on the inside over here. Hopefully the body go on. Let's see. Yeah, we good. So we got one on the inside, and I'm gonna start this one over here. We'll know by the end of the video if we're gonna let both play or just one. But let's go ahead and get this zeroed out. Let's get to the max speed. Sorry about that, guys. I know this Y gonna end up messing with me, but timer is, GPS zeroed out. Timer started. Sorry about that, guys. For the long video, just I don't know what GPS to trust now. But I did change the batteries in my remote because I couldn't turn down my steering or turn it up. Fortunately, they're about to die again, and that's because I was testing tuning. And somebody said that they hit a cargo with me taking off. This Mamba Retro, it takes off. Even if you gear low, high, whatever, it cogs. That's, I don't know. Hope I started the GPS. I don't even remember. Oh, got a car right there. I'm clear behind. Let me just let this car come down and then we'll bring it down. Just trying to see if I break 100 with this same gearing, and also I want to see if the batteries is waking up. So that's what we're gonna see right now. We got a truck coming down there too. Let's go ahead and turn it on the other side. Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully no car come down. But we're set to go. If this truck turns or comes straight, we'll see. I don't like leaving my car out there in the open. Somebody turn that corner and take me. All right, we good, y'all. Let's get it straightened up. All right, let me turn it. I could adjust today. Here we come, y'all. I got a car coming. Happened to me last time rushing it, but I ain't even gonna do that. I ain't even gonna do that. I ain't even gonna rush it. We at 71. I ain't even really get into it, but I ain't gonna rush it, y'all. He turned anyway, but I ain't wanna rush it. So we're gonna restart everything, guys. I'll probably just make this one video. Matter of fact, since y'all here, let me go ahead and check this inside GPS just to see what it got. 71 as well, so yeah, we're gonna restart both of them, and then I'm gonna get back. All right, y'all, once again, that GPS is zeroed out. Timer is started. Gotta put that up in there. All right, put the body on real quick. I don't like doing all this, but man, I'm trying to make sure I get my speeds right. I gotta buy that new Hobby Wing or Power Hobby GPS. But for right now, we're gonna deal with what we got. I didn't even reset this one, guys. Sorry about that. I'm trying to hurry up and rush. I seen the road clear. So GPS zeroed out. Timer started. Hopefully y'all seeing that. Turn this bad boy around. Right when I turn it around, I got a car coming. You believe that? Just had to make a circle right there. I'm clear that way. Just gotta get him out the way. Sorry about that, y'all. Another long video. I'm gonna get lined up so when he pass, I can bring it down. Come on, get out the way. We got another truck, look like it's about to come out of there. He look like he's taking a little long. Let's see if we can get it down there. We're coming down, y'all. Alright, y'all. I pulled full throttle early, trying to be greedy. I know it dropped amps on me, so let's see what happens. See if we hit that 100. Started to get loose on me. I had to keep it together. I had to keep it together. Good thing I was able to turn that steering down. Yeah, she did 101. Let's get it back over here. Same gearing. Battery's probably waking up. I hear the fan on, so I know it's hot. Oh, that ain't the fan. Sound like the fan. Yeah, the fan on. So yeah, both GPS showed me 101. 101 on that one. And 101 on that one. I did hold it and I got the, I pulled it real fast. Just cause I thought somebody was coming back there. But let me show y'all, it's a single success. Remember, this one is open. It's just like the last run. Same setup. This is a, what is this? A Hobby Star? Something like that. It's like a Hobby Star motor with a Retro 1, the Mamba Monster Retro 1. It got hot right there. This don't got no fan on it or nothing, and the ESC did raise up the temps. Fortunately, it just went off, but I can't check data logs on it, so I wouldn't know much. So I'm not sure if I'll probably throw a fan on this, try to keep it cool and see how much we could get with this motor. I don't know, we'll see. If not, we'll try a different motor, but I'm not trying to put no big can in here, so I just wanted to break in this battery. Right now this battery is breaking in. I would like to get another hit, but the motor is warm and I don't got no cooling for it, so I'm not even gonna rush it. The car did good. I did my adjustments. It started to pull on me right here and I had to correct, but I stayed in it. And it did its thing. It did its thing. Pull 101. All right, guys, sorry for the babbling. This still got the stock servo in there. I really didn't do much to this car. This is the same one with the chassis was bent up. This is one of them that was bent up because both of my chassis was bent and they're still bent and the car runs straight. So I don't plan on fixing it. I'll leave it like that. I'm gonna just run it. Let's see how far we could take it. I already hit 118, I believe, with this. So, and that was with this, I forgot, a Castle motor. So right now I'm just trying out off-brand motors and stuff before I actually put some power in here. But she did good. She did straight. I might have to do a little bit more adjustments. As y'all can see in the front, one of my my splitters is bent. So right now it'll make the car sit like this. And I think when I'm getting the speeds that it's hitting and pulling the car to one side. So I got a splitter coming from Jeff from RC Speed Monsters. And yeah, I'm gonna get the XTM out, probably use it on this side battery since that one's freshly charged. I want to do some test hits with that. And the next thing I'm gonna do is some testing with my Sun Street Eliminator and my and Jeff Street Eliminator. So y'all stay tuned for those videos. And then hopefully it don't rain this weekend. We got we got the big event coming up. It's like our open season, it's season opener for everybody in the New England area. We even got New York coming out, so hopefully the rain stay away. Anyway, sorry for the babbling, y'all, once again. Y'all stay tuned, and more to come. I'm definitely gonna get this back out with these same batteries, and I'm gonna run them just like this, but with one 6S, and I'm gonna just keep pushing the limits with this. So, all right, guys, stay tuned.